Well, this the week we've been brushing teeth. Well, we brushing teeth every day. Talks about it. And time we brushing teeth we looking teeth and I realize some teeth and we want to pick some of Marit. Also one of them. Well, true to us, time, maybe start looking at teeth before we go back to this sermon. True to us, time you baby, you got baby teeth, huh? And some people you look at Louisa and some of the teeth going out to go Lucia, pick an evil meals and go out. And after you losing baby teeth, you're kissing adult teeth. Teeth Loman na Mary. Now after you losing just the teeth Loman na Mary, you don't got no choice. You don't got number 3 teeth. You have only 1 set of teeth. After you plus 6 for Christmas, you got 1 plus set of teeth. And below life. And true to us, suppose you look out in good teeth below you. Brushing, flossing, cleaning, this the kind. And by stop, one time you. Plenty of time all archaeologists, I mean, go out, look, bodies below die man. Plenty of time while they finding teeth. Yeah. Teeth them stop long for the time. But true to mas, you kai plenty buhay, you eat plenty suka, you drink plenty Coca-Cola, or this the kind something, you know, long time, just a nice little white, the teeth through you, and become a red, and a black, and a ugly, you'll get it. And easy. You know, 1 per day. You know, 1 per day. Easy. Some plus full, and we come up with a tooth, and we go sting, and must go and go penis. And you like kissing this little tooth, you come back, you must buy the 100,000 kina loop tooth and gold tooth. But teeth for your penis. And Marit and me 1 time. God and me talk Marit and me something for life. Time you Marit, you kissing new blood teeth, you can talk olsem. But suppose you know protecting, you know banishing, you know loving this the passing God he give you know loving Mary no respecting man, loving no stop, and only no banishing this the Mary. Satan and me walk come inside of making sting passing long and he no long for the time, and by bugger up in this the Mary, and some for the time and me bugger up him all get in a brooking this the good plus something. And you like kissing this the Mary come back, this the Mary par an man, this the man par an Mary, and God talk us no God, you know kissing and me come back then, and peace. 1 per chance. And Marit and can stop good your whole life. Papa, Mama, Boo Boo me only waiting 65 for Christmas. Only Marit is 65 for Christmas. Praise God. Teeth don't always pennies, but Marit is stop yet.